Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Allure beauty box. I just have to try to cut into this little plastic thing. So loud. Alright, so here is the box for January. Let's see what's in this little thing. Alright. Okay, they have the little papers back in there. So this is a little booklet. The first thing I see is Gifted Amazon Clay Smart Mascara in black. Open. Which one is this? So it's like a bamboo colored one. Let's see what the brush looks like. Alright, the brush is like one of the thinner brushes. Smells just like mascara. I don't know why I smelled that. I feel like you can never have too much mascara, really, but hopefully that one's bomb. I will have to try it out and see. But that is worth $23 from Tarte. This is a Vita Bird C12 Dual Drop Serum, Age Defying and Deep Hydration. So it's a firmer, brighter, hydrated skin, I'm guessing. Oh, it's like a little dropper. So that is what that looks like. It's like a serum. And this retails for $62 for the full size, I think, which is 1.02 flow ounces. I do not think that's what this is. Yeah, this is just 0.34 ounces. Alright, next is Perfect Shine Oil Mist Color Heat Protectant, paraben free, from Nature Lab Tokyo. So this is a light reflectant hair oil mist for intensely smooth wow factor color and shine. So this is a little hair serum, and the full size is normally $16, which seems to be quite a bit larger. Here it is, than that, obviously. So I feel like that is a good price probably for the size of the original thing. This is a Car Skin Pure Lip Restoration, and this retails for $30. Jeez Louise. So this is just like Blistex for your lips, but like way more expensive. I'm hoping to God this is not the full size, because this is so tiny. This is 0.23 ounces. If this is $30, that's insane. But if this isn't full size, the full size is $30. The next thing in here is from Kate Somerville, and this is a Exfoliate Intensely Exfoliating Treatment. There's a lot of skincare in this. A lot. Okay, so that's what this little dude looks like. Focus, maybe? I don't know why this is so bright, but here's that. And this serum, exfoliator, whatever, retails for $75 for 1.7 ounces, and this is 0.25. So, way smaller than the actual thing. And last but not least is Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream from Philosophy. And this is this little dude. There you go, now you can see it. And this retails for $39 for the full size, which is like way bigger obviously than that. So that is everything I got in here. We got 1, 2, 3, I guess technically 4 skincare products that are all like super tiny. And then we got a hair product and a mascara. This is the only full size thing I think that I got in this box. Almost positive actually. So everything in here was pretty cool. I'm mostly excited to try the mascara. Obviously the skincare stuff is cool. I just get so many miniature things that it gets a little overwhelming sometimes to think about even using all of it. But I'll use as much as I can and see if it works or not. But usually I just use it over time and it just I don't know. But yeah, so that's everything I got in my Allure beauty box this month. It was very skincare based, which is totally fine. I usually prefer more makeup, but last month was like super makeup, which was awesome. December's was great. If you haven't watched that one, check out December's box because it was amazing. Anyways, that is all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're so close to 200 subscribers. I think we're like 31 subscribers away. I'm so excited. It makes me so happy to see you guys subscribe. It like gives me like the most excitement in the whole entire world. So thank you so much for subscribing. It really means a lot to me. And comment below if you would like to, if you guys get this box or not, or if you were interested in getting it. And just let me know what you think. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!